Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to share files on Google Drive effectively. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing documents with friends, Google Drive makes file sharing simple and efficient. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Sign in to Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive, https drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to use Google Drive. Step 2. Upload your file. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Google Drive homepage. To upload a file, click on the plus new button located on the left side of the screen. You can choose to either upload a file from your computer or upload an entire folder. Step 3. Select the file. After clicking File Upload, a dialog box will open. Navigate to the location of the file you wish to share, select it, and click Open. Your file will start uploading, and you'll see a progress bar in the bottom right corner. Step 4. Locate the uploaded file. Once the upload is complete, you will find your file in the My Drive section. Right-click on the file you wish to share to reveal more options. Step 5. Click on Share. From the options that appear, click on Share. This will open a new Share Settings window. Step 6. Add people or groups. In the Share Settings window, you can add individuals or entire groups by entering their email addresses in the Share with People and Groups field. Google Drive also gives you suggestions based on your contact list. Step 7. Set permissions. After adding the email addresses, you can set permissions to determine how the recipients can interact with the file. Select from the options. Viewer. They can only view the file. Commenter. They can view and leave comments. Editor. They can edit the file. Step 8. Add a message. Optional. If you wish, you can add a note or message in the text box provided. This message will be sent along with the invite. Step 9. Send the invitation. Once you've configured the settings and added people, click the Send button to share the file. The recipients will receive an email notification with a link to access the file. Step 10. Adjust sharing settings. If you ever need to change sharing settings after sending, you can right-click on the file again, select Share, and manage the permissions as required. You can also remove access for people or groups if necessary. Conclusion. Now you know how to share files on Google Drive. This feature is perfect for collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on documents in real time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.